I love our time together as we start each happy day.
It's not what you would expect in a hospital neonatal intensive care unit, but these days the Cedars-Sinai NICU is filled with children's books and parents reading to their babies.
Look at all of these animals, lions.
The idea behind it is to create a read-in program for babies in the NICU. So babies who are in the NICU are here because they're premature or they're sick, and reading to them from their parents or from a caregiver, it's calming and it's comfortable for them.
Nurse educator Amanda Williams started the program called Storytime Sunggles. Parents can borrow books from a book cart and are encouraged to read to their babies at least once a day.
We tell them, when the baby is inside mom, they're hearing mom's voice all day long, and dad's too, whether they're talking to each other or she's reading or anything. It's very calming and soothing to babies who are in the NICU who are hearing a lot of more abnormal sounds like alarms and, equipment.
Good night, cow jumping over the moon.
Mustafa Speaks reads to his baby daughter Noir every chance he gets.
At first, it was just reading to her through the incubator. So I would just open up the porthole and speak to her and read to her. And when it was time to be able to take her out, when she was able to maintain her temperature and big enough to hold, I'm able to hold her and read to her right now, as well as, just hold her and smell her and kiss her and all that good stuff.
Noir was born very early, at less than 27 weeks, and weighing less than 2 pounds. Now she's coming up on 7 pounds. Her dad says reading is helping her recovery.
Every single time I read to her, there is a visceral response. She relaxes, she goes right to sleep. Her heart rate drops, her respiratory rate drops, her saturation increases, and she's just at peace.
To kick off the program, Cedars-Sinai started a readathon competition, and families who read the most won a gift basket filled with books. Of course, Speaks and his wife were among the winners.
Being in the NICU, yes, I know it did a lot for her, but it's doing and done so much more for me, because I look forward to being able to take this escape with my daughter as we read, as we go on a journey. It provided a nice escape and a sense of normalcy. So I'd highly encourage any parent, especially fathers, to do so with their child.